Yeah, I'm Chris Wilson. I'm Vice President of Commercial for KrisEnergy, based in Singapore. We are a Southeast Asia-focused upstream exploration and production company. We span the region in terms of locations. We're in Bangladesh, we're in Indonesia, we're in Thailand, we're in Vietnam, we're in Cambodia. And effectively what we try to do is bring marginal oil and gas fields to commercial production. That's kind of been our history. Given that we've just come out of a period of crisis, that I think our focus right now is cleaning up issues and blocks we already are a member of. So there could be issues where partners or other stakeholders may want to restructure their position, and that's an opportunity for us to expand or to gain more influence and or working interests in those kind of blocks. So that's a priority for us. I think as well, we've kind of refocused primarily on the Gulf of Thailand. So we're de-emphasizing some of our other operations in favor of putting as much capital to work in the Gulf of Thailand, and that would include our oil development at Wassana and Nong Yao, and our Block A project in Cambodia, which is of particular interest. Well, I love the rebranding. You guys are now the Energy Council, which I just learned, which is great. No, I think that notwithstanding the very interesting panels and it's really the people that you attract to these events, and I think we all appreciate seeing people that we wouldn't run into on a normal day-to-day situation, and realizing how many opportunities are really out there that we're not aware of just by bumping into people here. So I think that's the real value add.